May 2nd. Yesterday was the last day of classes, so today is the first day of like finals prep. So yeah, it's currently Tuesday. Made my coffee as you guys saw. Today I'm gonna go to a meditation class at 10, which is exciting because I've never gone to a meditation class at our school gym, and I've always wanted to try meditation, especially like I'm such an overthinker, so I really want to try and get into it, and I feel like a class is a good way to do that. I use Google Keep to plan like my days every day. Oh, I also have a study abroad orientation from 1 to 3 on campus. And then my dad's coming tomorrow, so I'm gonna pack some of my really big stuff to take, because even though classes are done, I can't leave till like the 11th because I have a final the 10th at like 6 p.m. or something like that. I actually have to double check, maybe 6:30, which is so annoying. But to be fair, I literally have finals this Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm gonna be in pain basically. I have a lot of finals, but the only two I'm worried about are my 2 nursing ones, which are the 8th and 9th. So they decided to make those back to back, which is really great. But yeah, I just feel like a lot of people already left, which is crazy. I guess my final schedule is just like drawn out. I don't know. So definitely gonna be preparing for finals today too. I started some of like my study guides already. Let's try this. I did hazelnut. So good. I usually put too much water, so then it ends up a little watery, but this is good. Yeah, it's currently like 9:30, so I'm going to get changed, get ready to go, and head over to the gym. And I will see you guys after meditation. Hopefully I'll have a clear mind.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope.
It is now 11:45. I got back from meditation, did my makeup, and ate lunch. I was so hungry. I don't even know why, because I like fully ate late last night and had a granola bar. Meditation was good. It was honestly just a long time. It was like 45 minutes. So I felt my mind wandering and I was like getting hungry. But besides that, it was good. And we did like all the chakras and just like practicing being in the present moment. So that was nice. I think I'm gonna go to the library before the 1 p.m. orientation because some nursing girls are there. But I also wanted to show you guys this water bottle that I got sent that I'm so excited for. It's called H2O capsule, and it's a really big water bottle, 68 ounce. And it's so cute. I thought it'd be really good for summer too, especially to bring to the beach. Ooh, it comes with a straw cleaner. Love that. Dishwasher safe too, which is great. And this is the family that owns the company, which is super sweet. So yeah, this is it. It's so big. And there's also these little pouches on the side so you can put your cards or anything you may need with you. And there's a little strap, and it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, this is it with the strap. Definitely make sure to check out the link down below to support the company and get a really cute water bottle for the summer, because like I said, it's perfect for like day adventures, hikes, going to the beach, and I'm so excited to fill this up and use it. Okay, I'm gonna head to the library before orientation at 1, and then I will be back here later. It's supposed to go till 3, so hoping it doesn't actually go that long, but I might get a snack or something at the library to bring. Recording? Okay, I'm gonna show what we got.
I am good and getting better. Mine is I embrace I embrace the questions in my heart and welcome the answers in their own time.
I'm back. I got this little hummus thing at the library. That was honestly like the stupidest orientation. I feel like a lot of it was self-explanatory. Granted, they did say a lot of people like may not have been outside like even Rhode Island before, but I feel like it was all very self-explanatory. So anyway, at least I got that over with. Now I'm gonna finish like part of my med surge study guide. I'm on like medication administration right now, which is like literally from the first exam, so I'm not far at all, but I'm gonna finish that section and then I'm gonna make my history like cheat sheet because I have that final this Friday.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I
Okay, it is now 6:15. I've just been working on my history study guide and my med surge one. It's so pretty out right now. I love when the sun comes in. I love it. Our whole room gets bright. Okay guys, here we have Jane.
Hey!
She's been at the library,
Didn't get anything done.
but maybe when you go back.
But yes, it's time to
Yeah.
lock in. Just got a little Red Bull.
Vibes.
Gonna make a Raz Bull.
And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but every